Okay, hello everybody. This is my continuing series of videos. I know I got a lot now. I got a lot for you to watch. You don't have to watch all of them if you don't want to, but or you can fast forward through the dull, slow parts where I do repetitive actions over and over again. But this is my assembly videos for the RoboMaster S1 DJI from DJI, Chinese company. It's an educational robot. So if you watched my other videos, I've got the mechanism wheels done. Got the main chassis done. Hooked up the 4 motors. These are nice heavy duty motors. Look pretty nice. So I'm on step 50, which is assembly of the mechanism wheels. So I want to do all 4 mechanism wheels, so you're just going to have to bear with me. And the reason why I want to do that is that there's 2 different sets of wheels. They have the tracks going different directions. I learned the hard way that when you set up mechanism wheels, you have to set them up correctly for the robot to maneuver really well. And I'll try to show this as I put them on. But the rollers go in different directions. And there's two different versions of the wheels. And like I said, this is an important step. So we're just going to walk through it, and if it takes me 20 minutes, it just takes me 20 minutes. Okay. So we're going to put this wheel on first. Now let's make sure we're telling you everything right. So here's the inside. So the treads for this wheel are slanting. Okay. The treads for this wheel are slanting, as you can see, down and inward. We just got to figure out how to line it up correctly. It has a sets of grooves. The grooves just don't feel like they're lining up right. Okay. We're using a different type of screw. I think the wheels are in there, right? They're notched. Feels like the screws going in there perfectly. Okay. So on this wheel, you want them going this direction. Now, on the next wheel, you want them going Let's make sure. Like I said, this is important. So, slanting in here and slanting away on the other side. That actually went in a lot smoother than the other side. Like I said, this is important. I learned this lesson. Can't remember, a long time ago. The orientation of the wheels is important to get the best maneuvering and speed out of the wheels. Okay. You see these little grooves right here, so you have to make sure they slide in right. Nice spin. Nice smooth motor spin. Okay. Like I said, now we're going to do the back wheels. This is step 51. Oh no! I told you wrong. See? That's why I told you wrong. I read the instructions wrong. I told you this stuff was important. And I messed up. Hopefully you don't make the same mistake I did. Okay. So on step 50, you're putting in the back wheel. And forget everything I told you. The back wheel, now I'm doing it right. So I made a mistake. Okay. So. Okay. So let's say it again. Going inward like this for this wheel. Going this direction for the rollers on this back wheel. On the front wheel, that was step 50. Step 51. Okay. So this is the front. So on step 51, you want the wheels coming in this direction on the front. That makes sense. I'll leave that mistake I made in there so that you can see. And the back wheels, if everything's working right, the back wheels there you go. The last wheel will be slanting the correct direction. So like I said, there's two wheels with different slants. Okay. Okay. Front of the vehicle. These wheels slant this direction. Okay, so in step 52, it looks like they're gonna have me double check to make sure the wheels. Wow, that's so cool. He already can do that cool mechanism. Look at that. It's awesome. I think all wheel robots should have this wheel set up. Okay, let's double check and make sure I did this right. Because like I said, this is an important step. Your robot will behave so much better. So, the front left should be slanting this direction. The back left should be slanting this direction. The front right should be slanting this direction inward, and the back right should be slanting out in this direction. So you're saying, Mike, does it make a difference? Yes, it does. If you orientate the mechanic wheels correctly, as you can see, if you orientate the mechanic wheels correctly, I know I'm saying that wrong, but it'll be more maneuverable, faster, and do everything better. And like I said, it's already you already kind of see that. Yeah, and they're agreeing. My cats are agreeing with me. They're saying I'm finally learning how to put robots together. Okay, so I think this is an important enough step that I'm just going to end here and then do pretty much the final assembly from then on out. All right, thanks for watching.